Good morning, student. Welcome to online class of Little Flower Kalwari Basti. So, student, we will in today's video we will study about the topic that are changing the lock screen background. So, three. We will study three headings, three concepts in today's video. So, let me write first. What is the topic name? Changing changing the lock screen background. Changing the lock screen background. So what is the heading? Changing the lock screen background. Okay, so how you can change the lock screen background in your Windows 10, because you are studying Windows 10. So for doing this, you first click on this, that is start button. So what are the start button? You just let me show you. This is the symbol of start button. If you see in the text, you just click on this. You can also go to the start button, or you can directly click click on the start button which are given in your keyboard. So click on keyboard start button. Then after that, you will go to setting. So where you get setting, just click on here, and go to here is the setting. Click on this. Next, come to the personalization. Click on this personalization. Then after that, you will get lock screen. Click on lock screen. So as I said to you that my Windows 10 is not that is not the genuine window. So that's why it is not showing the how you can change the lock screen text, lock screen background. So this message is showing me you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. That means I am not able to personalize my PC. I am not able to change my lock screen desktop, lock screen backgrounds, and also pictures. So students, but that is very easy how you can change the lock screen desktop background. It's very easy. Let me show you how you can do it. Just you can customize the start button and removing a tile. Suppose you want to change the lock screen, just you click on this. After that, if you want to change the background, so for which you want to change the background, I want to change the pictures. So some pictures will come here, and you can browse the pictures from your desktop, from your computer also. Suppose if you want to change it by uh, the pictures which you have from your family's picture, so you just browse it, and just your lock screen change, picture will be changed. So this is the way of changing the lock screen picture background. So if you did this, and after that you just please click the cross button, and you just move out from here. Next one is customizing the start menu. So next heading is customizing 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 the start menu. How you can do customize your start menu? So start menu means suppose if you want to move any app on the start menu, then how you can move, and how you can remove any app from start menu to the menus. So add or remove items from the start menu, we will study in this things. So steps are how you can do. First you click on this one. This is Windows button or start button. Click, first step is click on start button. The next step is click the app that you want to pin the start menu. Click the app that you want to pin the start menu. So you will go to here. Suppose I want to pin this app Inkspace to the start menu. Just right click on this and pin to taskbar, pin to start. If I click on this, just see here, this Inkspace is showing me here. So what is the benefit of this? The benefit of this is we no need to that means it can save our time to open the particular apps. I just click on start button and I'm just able to see here. Click on this, it will be open. Let it open. Otherwise, if you do not make the that means if you will not send the app to the start menu, then you need to click on this and go to the Inkspace, and after that you will click on this, then your application will be open. Otherwise you just click or search Inkspace from here also. You can search Inkspace from this one also. Okay, so you people are able to see it is opened right now. So I do not need to work over here, so that's why I just delete this. Delete means close this app. Next thing is, you people understand how you can send your that means app to the start menu. This is the start menu. How you can send this. Next one is how you can remove. So click the steps are: click the start button to display the start menu, locate the app that you want to pin the start menu. Third one is right click the app. Next, the app context menu appears, definitely it will appear. Next one, click pin to start. So pin to start means this one. I have shown to you. If I want to send this alarm and clock, pin to start. Okay, so that means I will right click on the app context, this app context menu appears, pin to start. Okay, a title bar, a tile for the app appears under the existing tiles. Okay, so next one is to remove a tile from the start menu. Next setting is to remove a tile from start menu. How you can remove a tile from start menu? So students, the same way you just click on the start button. This is a start button. First step is click on the start button. Second step, right click the tile you want to remove. Suppose I want to remove the calendar from the start menu. Right click on this one. So you're getting the option unpin from start. What is the option? The app context menu appears, then click on unpin from start. Click on unpin from start. It is removed from here. I want to remove this one, unpin from start. I want to remove this one. Sorry. I want to remove this one, unpin from start. I want to remove this one, unpin from start. I want to remove this one, unpin from start. So how many apps tile I want to remove from this start menu? I will just click on that app, right click on that app and unpin to. I will do unpin from start. So it will be removed from the start menu. So next one is changing the size of a tile. Next heading is changing the size of a tile. So let me write here, changing the size of a tile. Changing the size of a tile. So that means how you can change the size of a tile. Just click on start button. Go to, suppose I want to change the size of this Microsoft Edge. So right click on, first you click the start button right click on the app, on the tile to which you want to resize. Again the app context menu will appear. This is the app context menu. Just click on resize, and there are options small, medium, wide and large. So if you click on small, you just see your this tile will appear in a small size. So this is the complete way to which you want to switch from large tiles to small ice tiles. Okay, so I think this is enough for today's class, students. In the next video we will study turning a live tile on and off. So students, thank you very much for watching this one. Thank you.